It's cool, huh? Flying in the air?
Yeah. See, I do this inside here. Like this, and this, Hey, I'm not like that, honey. I'm not
Like that?
No, I don't like that. I don't like this one.
You don't like that one now?
No, I don't like this one.
Oh, let me see. Oh, that's a Rubik's Cube. Oh, right now?
Yeah, I don't like that. Please, I don't. Please, I don't like that. I don't do the TV piece.
Where?
The TV piece.
Oh, Disney Cube.
Yes, okay. I'm not going
Yeah. Okay. We'll go plan it out, okay?
to get it out.
Plan it out.
Yeah, tiny. Yeah. Oh, let me see.
Owen,
Careful.
you hiding? Where's Owen? Oh, careful your head. The other side. There you are. I'll go find you. Go. Don't hit your head. No, that's too small. Yeah, only a mouse can go there. Yes. Only Mickey Mouse can go there. Is that his head? Oh, okay, don't tell him to go there.
Daddy. That's it, Daddy. Daddy.
It's too small, one. Yeah, it's too small for you. Yes.
Come on, let's go have some fun. Let's go to the park. Go. Where do you want to go? The train? Okay, go. Take us.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face really show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. There's a lot of happy people on this street. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. That's cool. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, then your face really show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, say honk honk. Oh, the train's happy. It's time for us to go. Here we go, everyone.
Let's go.
Monorail station. Along the way, you can get a bird's eye look at the downtown Disney district, Disney's Grand California Hotel and Spa, and Disney's to the ones that get around the world, including residents, kids, and celebrities. It is the original Disney. Yourself. To the right is our transportation line, where you'll find some of the
All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, there's a lot of entertainment here at the Magic Kingdom today. We have Mickey's Sensational Parade today at 4:30. Then we have Main Street Electrical Parade running here at Disneyland for a limited time only. Tonight we have two showings at 8:30 and 10:30. Then remember, Dreams Come True Fireworks Spectacular. Words. Oh yeah, that one takes place at 9:25. Have fun, everyone.
We're now approaching the Tomorrowland Monorail station, our final destination. Please remain seated until the monorail comes to a complete stop. Then collect your belongings,
Alright.
wash your hands, and step carefully from the train. On behalf of all of our crew, thanks for traveling with us. And we hope you'll have a happy and memorable visit
Good job, Owen.
at Disneyland.
What's he have there?
$50.
Oh, Mickey Mouse Rubik's Cube.
I did it.
You want to open
You
it?
want to open it?
Yeah.
Oh, let's see.
Okay, let's open it.
Ladies of powerless fans of the galaxy.
Receive may save your life when entering the temple. Now, there are 3 rules you must follow before entering the temple. Rule number 1, be mindful of your training position. The blue circle you're about to stand on is your training position. Do not leave outside of that circle until you're told to do so. Rule number 2, be mindful of your lightsabers. Make sure you do not hit anyone around you. And rule number 3, and this pertains to everyone here, about to enter the upper level, please don't jump in or falling off the upper level, because that could mean utter disaster. Now, today you will learn to use the weapon of a Jedi, a lightsaber. A lightsaber, this is a lightsaber.
Cut to the right shoulder. Now block. Duck. Stand and cut to the head.
Focus your thoughts. Good. Good, you're doing it. Ancient records are correct. The first step of our journey is complete.
Am I a Jedi now? I'm a
Oh,
Jedi!
don't congratulate yourself just yet. The greatest challenge is yet to come. Jax, Elba, gather the students. Students, this way.
Is that what you said? It's temple now.
Yes. Main call. Started sooner than I expected. Students, remember, embrace the light side of the Force and let go of fear and anger. Darth Vader, the Sith Lord himself.
Join me, and I will complete your training. If you only knew the power of the dark side.
Be brave, students. Remember, there are many of us, but only one of him.
The seventh sister, hunter of the Jedi.
You have no idea what you've unleashed here today.
The challenge is greater than I thought.
Master.
Students, remember, you can defeat them. We can defeat them together. All you have to do is focus your thoughts and remember your lightsaber charge. Jax, you and Hedges take your group and face the second sister. Elbach and I will take our group and face Darth Vader.
Stop it, Jedi. You are right to be afraid.
Ready position.
As you wish.
Cut to the left shoulder, right shoulder, pop, stop, stand, cut to the head, in the mirror. Well done, you did it.
2 hands, ready position.
Well then, my brave young child.
Stay here.
Come and through.
Now hold your ground, left shoulder, block. Duck, hold on, stand, strikes the head. Very nice, saber, down this way.
The only way we can truly defeat them is to release them and lay down our weapons. Students, clear your minds and lay down your lightsabers gently on the ground. That's right. Now, use the Force to push back the seventh sister. Hey! We are not afraid! Yes! That's Elba, gather the students.
Kylo Ren.
Nedges, Stay calm.
You know me.
Yes.
Not like I know you. You want to be a Jedi. But you are afraid. Afraid you will fail.
Stay out of my head!
Now just resist him. Don't let him control you!
You want so desperately to become a Jedi. But do you really believe you can?
I don't know. Yes. I mean, yes.
Now just remember your training. Stay calm. Focus.
Yes. Focus.
Nephros, don't!
I have to prove it wrong.
You fight well. But this is where your master's training ends. I can teach you the ways of the Force.
You mean the ways of the dark side?
The power of the dark side. Join me.
Nephros, the power is yours, not his. You have the power to choose your own path.
He's too strong.
He's just a vision, nothing more. Let go of your fear. Everyone, tell Nephros that she is strong.
Do not interfere.
Tell her that she can do this. Yes!
Come up my fear. And now it has no power over me. And neither do you.
You are not as strong as you think you are.
Oh, I think we are.